Hey guys, welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to talking about the destructor in the PHP programming language. Here you will see that why we use destructor and what is the destructor. Destructor in the PHP is similar to the other object-oriented programming languages or the object-oriented programming concepts like Java or C++ as well. PHP destructor is handled by the garbage collector which always focused over the object when there are no need of object. Then it is automatically destroy that object. The destructor method will be called as soon as all references to the particular objects are removed or when the object is explicitly destroyed in any other in shutdown sequence. Hope so you understand now that why we use destructor. So destructor function is inverse of the constructor, remember that. And the method name of the destructor in the PHP is different from the constructor method name, and it cannot take any arguments like constructor. The destructor functions which is starting from _line and then destructor as the keyword right here. I just take the example of my old code right here and then pasted this code right here. Here you can see that our class name here is the bird and the public bird name which is the parrot right here. Okay, firstly you have to see that I have to create the constructor right here which is the name of the bird, and then here you can see that you have to simply write that, let's suppose I have to write that echo, and echo here is I write that hi I am constructor. Okay, and then close this code right here. Now after that, here you can see that I just create underscore destructor right here. Okay, now destruct is just a keyword right here. So this is destruct, which is a keyword right here. Then remove this from here, and here I have to write that echo that I am destructor. Okay, and then close this code right here. Now after that, here you can see that I have to create the bird which is equal to the new, and the bird here is parrot, and then echo which is the bird, and then you have to write the bird name. Okay, here you can see that which is hi I am constructor, which is a parrot, and then that will execute that I am destructor. You can see here firstly that will run the constructor, then destructor, and then here the result of the parrot right here. Hope so you understand now that how we can create the destructor right here in the PHP code right here. Okay, now here after that I am just running one another example on the destructor right here, and will show you that the destructor again. Here I have to write PHP, then close this PHP tag right here. Now here you will see that I just create the class here which is ABC. Then after that here I'm just writing that this is the public. The public here is, you may set the function, and the function here is A. Okay, this is any function name what I'm just creating right here, and here I write echo, and echo here is constructor. Okay, then after that here I have to create another class, and the class here is B, and B will extend the class A. Okay, now here I have to write that this is the public, and the public here is the function, and the function is, and the function here is construct. So I am just creating the constructor right here, and after this function here I have to write that this is the class, and after that here I have to write that this is echo, and that will be the parent class of A. Okay, and then here after that I have to write echo, and the echo here is constructor of child. Okay, Now here you can see that I am just creating the constructor. Now I am creating destructor right here. So public is a function right here, and the function here is underscore and destruct. Okay, and then here I have to write that this is echo, and the echo here is I have to write destroy the destruct, which is mean that destroy the destructor right here. And then after that here I have to write that this is obj, which is equal to new, and new here is a. Okay, here you can see that, but sorry, here new here is b, which is this child class name right here. Okay, now here you will see that firstly I have to write the class name, which is abc, then the public function here is a, and this function here is what I am just creating right here, which is a construct. Now here you will see that I am just creating the class of a, sorry, this is a class of a, b, c right here. Okay, now here you will see that, and yes, okay, and here we have to write the same function name, which is abc, and this is also abc right here. Okay, it's fine now. Now here you will see that will extend my class name, which is abc, then constructor here is public function, same like our old code, and then here you can see that we have the parent, which is abc class, and then echo, which is a constructor of the child. Now here you can see that I am just using the destructor again, and that will destroy my this statement right here. Now let's just check the output for this code, and here you will see that firstly, hi, I'm a constructor, then parrot is a bird, then constructor of the child. So this is my new code, so constructor of the child, and then destroy the constructor, and I am a destructor right here. So this is the program what I am just creating on the destructor. Hope so you understand now. If you not understand, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.